redesigning, reusing, and repurposing old furniture into cozy, stylish pet beds is becoming one of the most meaningful, economical, and creative ways homeowners are transforming their spaces while caring for the animals they love. Instead of spending large amounts of money on store-bought pet beds that often wear out quickly, lose their shape, or fail to match the home's interior aesthetic, people are discovering the beauty of giving new life to the furniture they already own. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. An old dresser, side table, nightstand, cabinet, or chair, pieces that might otherwise sit unused in storage or get discarded, can be reshaped into functional, beautiful, and deeply personal pet retreats with minimal expense and maximum impact. By doing so, homeowners not only save money on maintenance and new purchases, but also create something durable, meaningful, and perfectly tailored to their pet's comfort and their own home design. Repurposed furniture often offers better stability, stronger structure, and longer-lasting quality than many commercial pet beds, which are typically made from lightweight, synthetic materials that break down quickly. Solid wood frames, sturdy drawers, and well-built furniture pieces bring strength and durability to these DIY pet spaces, ensuring that the creations last for years and require very little upkeep beyond occasional cleaning or a refreshed cushion. This blend of longevity and low maintenance becomes even more valuable for busy households that want beauty, practicality, and simplicity all in one. Transforming old furniture into pet beds also brings an unexpected artistic dimension to the home, merging functionality with creativity in a way that mass-produced pet products rarely can. Instead of a bulky, mismatched pet bed sitting awkwardly in the corner, a repurposed piece harmonizes with the home's decor and feels like an intentional part of the interior design. A vintage drawer converted into a cushioned pet lounge, an old suitcase turned into a whimsical pet cot, a cabinet transformed into a sheltered sleeping nook. Each piece adds personality and charm to the room while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. The natural textures of reclaimed wood, the curves of vintage furniture, the patina of aged hardware, and the soft fabrics chosen for the cushion all contribute to a decor piece that feels unique, purposeful, and beautifully integrated into the home's overall look. What was once forgotten or unused becomes an accent piece that sparks conversation, highlights creativity, and celebrates craftsmanship, making the home feel richer and more expressive. More importantly, these repurposed beds can be customized in ways that no store-bought product can offer. Homeowners can match colors to their walls, choose finishes that reflect their personal style, and design shapes that fit specific spaces, narrow hallways, cozy corners, or under-window spots that pets naturally gravitate toward. The flexibility of repurposing allows each pet bed to become a perfect fit for both the home and the animal that will enjoy it. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond aesthetics and economics, the emotional and practical benefits for pets themselves are profound. Animals are deeply sensitive to comfort, security, and scent, and a repurposed piece of furniture from the home they already know can offer a level of reassurance that a new, unfamiliar bed cannot. The familiar smells, textures, and energy of the transformed piece help pets feel safe and calm, especially in multi-pet households or busy environments. The solid structure of furniture-based beds often gives pets a higher sense of protection, especially for breeds that love hiding, burrowing, or curling up in enclosed spaces. A converted cabinet or nightstand offers a den-like environment that provides warmth and security, while an open-frame drawer or bench-style cot offers airy comfort for pets who prefer more spacious lounging. The ability to add soft blankets, thick cushions, or even pet-friendly flooring materials makes it easy to craft a bed that meets the specific needs of each animal. Whether they are older pets requiring firm support, playful pets that want space to stretch, or small pets that like snug spots to nestle, the personalization ensures they rest better, feel safer, and experience deeper comfort, which ultimately supports their overall well-being. Redesigning old furniture for pets also encourages sustainable living by reducing waste and encouraging a resourceful mindset. Instead of contributing to landfill accumulation or purchasing mass-produced items with short lifespans, homeowners embrace the philosophy of renewal, honoring the past, valuing what they already own, and reducing their environmental footprint. Every repurposed furniture piece becomes a small act of environmental stewardship, proving that sustainability can be beautiful, accessible, and deeply personal. This process also fosters creativity, offering homeowners the joy of hands-on crafting and the pride of creating something meaningful for their pets. Some even discover a new hobby or business opportunity, as they share their unique pet furniture with friends, family, or local communities where handmade, sustainable pet products are in high demand. What begins as a home project can blossom into a creative venture that brings joy, income, and purpose. Ultimately, transforming old furniture into beloved pet beds creates a powerful harmony between design, practicality, and love. It turns the home into a more thoughtful, expressive place where every piece has a story and every corner reflects intentionality. The pet bed becomes not just a place for animals to rest, but a symbol of care, sustainability, and individual creativity. A small yet meaningful reminder that beauty does not always come from new purchases, but from seeing potential where others see waste. Through repurposing, homeowners craft a space where comfort meets character, where pets feel cherished, and where old furniture finds a new chapter filled with purpose, usefulness, and heartfelt charm. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood. So stay safe and stay blessed.